I'm Serena, and today on the farm we are turning all these beautiful fresh ranunculus into even more beautiful dried ranunculus that's gonna last all year long and make us $1 million. But first, I need some more space because my drying rack is full, and I'm gonna explain the joke. It's a head with antlers, like a rack. Drying rack. It's funny. Ian keeps telling me it's not, but it's funny. Doesn't this stuff look good?
Yeah, that actually looks
yeah,
nice.
The larkspur, which I'm like meh about. I'm not a big fan of the larkspur. I am a big fan of it dried.
Yeah.
And as good as this pink looks, come check out the like bluey purple.
It looks like lavender.
I know, doesn't that look amazing?
But not as amazing as the
No, the ranunculus definitely are the money. The money shot. But look at that together. Ooh, background. You know?
And then, you see what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Have some. Higher! Higher! This is commitment. This is a labor of love right here.
It has wheels.
This is a labor of love.
It has wheels. It moves easy.
Yeah, but you know what the love is.
Going back in the
Your
dirt.
love of my dried ranunculus.
That is actually the love.
What do you think, buddy? Think hot? Too high. Too high.
Where, like here?
Yeah. Yeah, like there. This is how it gets done. You're on the farm. Oh, careful. Careful.
On to the next one.
F5.
Daddy.
When I bunch stuff to dry, and especially these ranunculus, I like to take all the leaves off. I find that they're just easier to work with after. Last year, I bunched a bunch of things by just grabbing it, squeezing it together. And I found when I went to take the individual stems apart to use them as dried flowers, that all of the greens had kind of dried in together. And because of that, it made it, you know, difficult to separate the stems without breaking the stems. So I find they work a lot better if I just take this greenery off beforehand. To dry the flowers, I've been hanging them up and then I've been leaving them up there for about 2 weeks. This is an example of one of the bouquets that I hung up last week, and the stem is still has a little bit of moisture in it. So I want to keep this drying because I don't want the stem to kind of wilt and bend over when I take it down. So, you know, just giving it that 1 extra week. And then here's an example of some of the ones that I pulled off that are 2 to 3 weeks old. And you can see, right? Like the color doesn't really fade much from that first initial dry. They're pretty incredible, especially these yellow. The way they really hold on to the color. I'm really excited about it. You know, this is just the beginning of flowers here on our farm, which means this is just the beginning of the dried flowers, and to have something that already is looking so incredible has me really excited for what I'm going to be able to throw together come this fall. So if you have any leftover ranunculus, I highly recommend giving them a hang up.